Hello. So today I want to show you how you can actually make huge money from your social media accounts by influencing. It's actually a very simple method. You don't need any marketing or sales background or all that. You just need your social media accounts and you're good to go. So it's through an app. The app is called Wowzi, and it's a leading brand and a leading influencer app in Kenya right now. And what you do is you log into Wowzi, you download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and from there you accept job offers that will be sent to you through the app. From time to time, they'll send you an SMS alert concerning the new job offers, and you'll be given 30 minutes to to accept or reject the job. Once you accept the job, you'll be given a guideline on how you're going to influence the job, and mostly they want the trending or the hashtags that they have given to be at least number one so that they can get the best results that they need. So from there, after you accept, there's going to be a review, and from there you're good to go. So from your Google Play Store or the Apple Store, just go to Wozy and download the app and start making money from your social media accounts. Right, thank you.